I'm out here at the project tree. The project tree is an old cedar that had gotten twisted up in a storm and broken up. And I figured I'd use some of the wood for different projects. But look at that right there. This is why I came out here. This is a kale plant. This thing is magnificent. Just out here growing in the field all by itself. Let me zoom out a little bit. But this thing is huge. I'm going to put my foot out there so you can see just how big this kale plant is. Right, there's my foot. And there's this kale plant. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. Big kale plant. And looking through the field as I was walking back here, I've noticed a lot of new plants out there. And I've noticed the bugs have eaten some, but for the most part, it's a healthy plant. And I've always read that bugs go after the unhealthy plants, not necessarily the healthy plants, which means this is a great environment out here for the kale to grow. Wonderful environment. It's got all the nutrients it needs. It gets direct sunshine. It's protected at times by the shade of the big tree, the project tree. It's just magnificent. I would love to have just an entire field full of plants like this. This would just be amazing. It would absolutely be amazing. I've never come out here and picked any of these to cook or eat, because these are out in the field and they're out here for the deer. But anyway, I don't know. I hope they winter over really well. I think they will. They seem to be really well established. This is just amazing. I don't know. I haven't really counted the plants, the kale plants that we have out here. But what I'm considering doing, it's fall, it's October. I figure I've got a little time to go ahead and get some new kale plants growing and just bring them out here and plant them. Just random spots around the field. Just go ahead and stick them in the dirt and see if they grow to be like this. I'll definitely be doing that this following year. I've got a lot of things to do out here in the gardens. Well, I'm in the field right now, but I call it my gardens because out here, I consider everything to be part of my gardens. We grow food. Nature grows food. Mother Nature's good. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just wander around some more, see what I can find. Ooh, there's my shadow.